Can dogs sense impending natural disasters? The relationship between humans and dogs dates back thousands of years. This bond, which began as a mutually beneficial alliance for hunting and protection, has evolved into a deep and complex connection. One of the most intriguing aspects of this connection is the belief that dogs possess an extraordinary ability to sense impending natural disasters, such as earthquakes, tsunamis, and hurricanes. While this phenomenon has been the subject of numerous anecdotal accounts and scientific investigations, it remains a topic of debate and mystery. In this essay, we will delve into the intriguing question: can dogs sense impending natural disasters? We will explore the existing scientific evidence, examine the possible mechanisms behind this ability, and consider the implications for both humans and our loyal canine companions. The anecdotal evidence. A. Historical accounts. Throughout history, there have been numerous accounts of dogs exhibiting unusual behavior before natural disasters strike. Ancient civilizations often viewed these behaviors as omens or warnings from the gods. For example, in ancient Greece, dogs were believed to be able to foretell storms and earthquakes. The Roman writer Pliny the Elder documented instances of dogs behaving strangely prior to volcanic eruptions in Pompeii. These historical anecdotes provide a rich tapestry of evidence suggesting that dogs may have some innate ability to detect impending disasters. B. Contemporary observations. Even in modern times, there are countless reports of dogs acting strangely or anxiously before earthquakes, hurricanes, and other natural disasters. For instance, before the 2011 earthquake and tsunami in Japan, there were numerous accounts of dogs barking incessantly and trying to seek higher ground. Similar reports have emerged from other disaster-stricken regions around the world. While these accounts are compelling, they are anecdotal and subject to interpretation, making them insufficient to definitively answer the question at hand. Scientific investigations. A. Earthquake prediction. The scientific investigation of whether dogs can sense impending natural disasters, particularly earthquakes, has garnered significant interest. Researchers have conducted studies examining the behavior of dogs before seismic events. One such study conducted by T.F. Williams in 2000 found that dogs in California exhibited increased restlessness and agitation prior to earthquakes. However, these findings are not without controversy, as some argue that these behaviors may be linked to environmental factors or random fluctuations. B. Pheromones and electromagnetic sensitivity. Several theories attempt to explain how dogs might sense impending natural disasters. One prominent hypothesis is related to dogs' keen sense of smell. Dogs possess an olfactory system far more developed than that of humans, and it is theorized that they may detect changes in the atmosphere caused by geological activity. Additionally, some researchers speculate that dogs may be sensitive to electromagnetic changes associated with seismic activity. These hypotheses are intriguing, but more research is needed to validate them. C. Sensitivity to infrasound and vibrations. Another theory proposes that dogs can sense infrasound, which is low-frequency sound waves that humans cannot hear. Infrasound can be generated by tectonic movements and volcanic activity. Dogs' acute hearing may enable them to detect these infrasound waves, leading to behavioral changes before a seismic event. Furthermore, dogs are sensitive to vibrations, and they may detect subtle ground movements that precede earthquakes. The role of other animals. It is not only dogs that have been observed behaving unusually before natural disasters. There are reports of other animals, such as birds, cats, and even elephants, displaying similar behaviors. This raises questions about whether this ability is unique to dogs or if it is a more widespread phenomenon among animals. Understanding the broader context of such behavior in the animal kingdom is crucial for gaining insights into the mechanisms at play. Implications and applications. The ability of dogs to sense impending natural disasters, if scientifically validated, could have significant implications for human safety and disaster preparedness. For example, A. Early warning systems. Dogs could potentially serve as early warning systems for earthquakes and other disasters. If we can better understand the triggers and behaviors associated with their sensing abilities, we might develop more reliable methods for predicting and preparing for natural disasters. B. Search and rescue. The remarkable olfactory and sensory capabilities of dogs have long been employed in search and rescue operations. If their disaster-sensing abilities are harnessed, it could enhance their effectiveness in locating survivors and assisting in disaster-stricken areas. C. Human-animal bond. The investigation of dogs' abilities to sense impending natural disasters also underscores the deep and mysterious connection between humans and dogs. It highlights the potential for dogs to play even more significant roles in our lives beyond companionship. Conclusion. The question of whether dogs can sense impending natural disasters remains a captivating enigma. While there is a wealth of anecdotal evidence and some intriguing scientific studies, conclusive proof is still lacking. The mechanisms behind this ability, if it exists, remain elusive. However, the potential implications for disaster prediction and preparedness are substantial. Further research is needed to unravel the mysteries of dogs' behavior and sensory capabilities. Collaborative efforts between scientists, veterinarians, and animal behaviorists may ultimately provide the answers we seek. Until then, the belief in dogs' unique ability to sense impending natural disasters will continue to be both a source of wonder and an area of scientific exploration, reminding us of the enduring bond between humans and our loyal canine companions. If you liked this video, please click the subscribe button and share.